The Albion renew their South Coast rivalry with Southampton for the first time since 2012, looking to build on a highly impressive first few months back in the top flight. A win today to follow up on the 3-0 away win at West Ham last time out will turn a good start into a great one. Ward-Prowse. To Buffal, who wins the free kick. Good feet from Buffal, and Stevens with a little trip. It is Ward-Prowse who places it and surveys the scene ahead of him. Won't be easy to beat Ryan from this distance. Here he comes, Ward-Prowse, good hit! Oh, stunning hit, and Davis has scored. The rebound put in by Davis. And Southampton lead. It was Ward-Prowse's brilliance. Bending the free kick beautifully out of reach of Ryan. And although it came back off the angle of post and bar, Davis was quickest to it and nodded it into the empty net. Brighton 0, Southampton 1. To the right, good ball. Bong a little isolated, it's pulled back to Tadic. Tadic with a shooting chance, wide. Goes for a corner. Took a deflection on its way through. A good pull back. Tadic is always looking to work space on his left. Here's Knockaert, fancy footwork. And Albion fans roar their approval. Piling on the pressure at the end of the half. Izquierdo, good delivery, Knockaert the back post! And he just couldn't control the cross. Izquierdo keeps it in. Brilliant work. Gross onto his left. He's worked it well onto his right. Headed clear by Van Dijk. Oh, brilliant, Knockaert. Didn't sit for him again, but there's still danger here, and he chips it to the back post and headed over. Duffy thinks it's a corner. It's been given as a goal kick. He's furious. Great pressure by the Albion. Knockaert's ball across was brilliant for Duffy, and he just couldn't hit the target. And the previous one, Izquierdo fizzing it in. Just too much on it for Knockaert to be able to either steer it goalwards or cushion it back for someone else in the middle to tap in. Oh, proper great angle. Knockaert gets it back. Crossing chance here for Gross. Scoops it to the back post. Murray's there and scores! Glenn Murray back amongst the goals here at the Amex. 2 last week and the equaliser today.
Goal for the Albion, scored by number 17, Glenn Murray.
It was Prupper who found a great angle to play in Knockaert. And between he and Izquierdo, they kept it alive. Pascal Gross, who else with the assist? And it's a great header from Glenn Murray. Rising above Cedric. Forster didn't have a hope of keeping it out. Perfect from Murray. Brighton 1, Southampton 1. Oh, beautiful Cruyff turn from Gross. Great ball in, Murray's there. Over the bar and a goal kick. Pascal Gross is absolutely lethal. Every single ball he delivers in seems to be on the money. Almost teed up Glenn Murray again. Space here for Bertrand. Plenty forward for the Saints. Oh, Gabbiadini's there. It's a corner. Gabbiadini's barely been in the game. Showed flashes of his brilliance there. Great movement. Keeping Lewis Dunk guessing and getting in front of him. Deflected shot over the bar. Bruno looks long. Duffy stay forward. Great flick from Duffy. Knockout. Real danger here. Duffy's there. And it's a goal kick, and Duffy cannot believe he hasn't done better with that. He's furious with himself. Both teams pride themselves on their tight defence. And it was a very close match indeed. Nothing to separate the two sides. It's the Albion versus Southampton in what could be one of the greatest days in Brighton's history. 26 years on from almost dropping out of the Football League altogether, they know that if they secure 3 points today, they'll qualify for Europe for the first time ever. It would be a staggering achievement. The stage is set at an expectant Amex. Can Roberto De Zerbi's side turn their dream of European football into reality? As that ball's popped forward, Bednarek watchful. Mitoma pinches it. Mitoma in on goal. Kaoru Mitoma wide. He's furious at himself. Everything was done immaculately until the finish. Header away from Bednarek. Mitoma quickest to it. Lovely swerve in field, and then flashes it beyond McCarthy's upright with the goal gaping. Big early chance for Brighton. Alcaraz, oh, he's won it and he's threaded it through. Walcott could be in here. Southampton have hit Brighton on the break. Chance for the finish, and it's a glaring miss. Alcaraz, huge chance for him, and he's missed the target with the goal gaping. It was a miscontrol from Colwill. Caicedo looked like he'd won it back. Alcaraz pinched it again, then played in Walcott, continued his run, then the flick, and Alcaraz wide. Such a big chance for the visitors. An escape from Alcaraz for Brighton. Peters holds it up from Enciso. And the line he goes. Aribo. Good work. Southampton fans olaying every pass. Oh, a slip, and Mitoma's in. Mitoma! Oh, it's hit the post! So unlucky. Two big chances for Mitoma. The first one wide, that looked like the perfect finish, and it's come back off the upright with the whole of the Amex waiting to celebrate the opener. Once again, Mitoma causing havoc in the Southampton defence. He clipped it beyond McCarthy, but the post denies him. It's going to bounce to Caicedo here. Caicedo to McAllister. McAllister, Ferguson. First time Ferguson can have a go, and Evan Ferguson smashes it beyond McCarthy to settle Albion nerves. Caicedo involved. McAllister afforded too much time. Well onside. Just one touch to shift it. Lianco didn't get close enough, and he just shifts it out of his body and then absolutely laces it goalwards. McCarthy found it too hot to handle, and Evan Ferguson back amongst the goals just when Brighton needed one. Aribo to Ward-Prowse, Alcaraz, and away to Mitoma, and Mitoma tries to burst past, and he has. Referee allows play to continue. Mitoma, what a ball to Ferguson, in for two! Glorious! Evan Ferguson doubles Albion's lead. All Mitoma's work. Southampton are unhappy. They feel that was a foul on Lavia. Look at the pass from Mitoma. Absolute genius. Was this a foul? Not really. Not in my view anyway. Check complete. The goal will stand. Albion have doubled their lead. Kaoru Mitoma has teed up Ferguson. Ferguson on a hat-trick. Albion on the cusp of glory. Walcott. Really good break this for Southampton, with 3-on-2, and Veltman safely away for a Southampton corner, a rarity. Defending to do for Brighton. Ward-Prowse, so dangerous from these set pieces, and that's why it's gone in. Was it direct from Ward-Prowse, or is it Lianco or Bednarek? Ward-Prowse with an inch-perfect delivery, and it was Bednarek. Great delivery, and Bednarek's flick nestles into the corner to halve the deficit. Veltman goes down. He's certain it was a free kick. Instead, Southampton play their way out, and play their way out nicely until that moment. Caicedo, Lavia wins it back. Ward-Prowse, Walcott the runner. Walcott could be in. Walcott 1-on-1, and Theo Walcott levels it. Incredible scenes. Lavia forward, Ward-Prowse. It's tight, but it looks like he might well be on. Walcott galloping through. Great finish. The goal is being checked. The Amex loves that because it's come up on the big screen. He's offside. He's offside, and it'll be chalked off. The Amex celebrates it as if it's a goal. What is happening here at the Amex? From total control to the highest drama. Mitoma. Past. Oh, Mitoma. Beyond Walcott, beyond Bree. And Bree brings him down, and another Southampton player into the book. Great work from Mitoma, away from Walcott and then through the legs of Bree. Floated in by Gross. There's the header. McCarthy with a great stop. Really important save from McCarthy down low. Brilliant delivery from Gross. Plenty of pace on it. The header, it was Veltman. Veltman arriving, connected sweetly. McCarthy with a great save. Mr. Pinian arcs it in. There's a melee of bodies that have gone down as Gross gets back onto the ball. Gross. Oh, he's found the corner! Pascal Gross restores Albion's 2-goal lead. So important for the Albion to get the next goal in the game, having had an almighty scare, and you can always rely on Pascal Gross. He moves level with Glenn Murray and Neil Maupay on 26 Premier League goals for the Seagulls. Estepinan's delivery, a melee of bodies as it dropped to Gross. He fainted to shoot, and then at the second time of asking, he just drags it into that near post. Teased Aribo. Oh, Pascal Gross finds the smallest of spaces to restore Albion's 2-goal lead. A fantastic finish. Ball to Caicedo, well left for Buonanotte. Buonanotte still going, Welbeck. Caicedo whips it. Toma was closing in, it drops for McAllister and he's just over the bar. Unbelievable technique to control it, but just over the top. Great move. That's it. It all ends in glory for Brighton. Record breakers, history makers, absolute heroes. This brilliant Albion team have made their European dreams a reality. And they've done it in style once again. It wasn't without its nervousness or the big scare in the second half, but 2 from Ferguson and 1 from Gross, enough to see them home. The emotion clear for all to see, and the atmosphere inside the Amex electric. It ends here at the Amex. Albion 3, Southampton 1.